Hey, my cookies. See, I've affectionately referred to you guys as my cookies for years, but yet I don't have a dang cookie recipe on the channel. That changes today with these super delicious double chocolate cookies. They're so easy to make, so let's do it. All right, first things first, I pop a freak saw the hunt. My bad. Okay, so we're gonna pour some melted butter into a bowl, then add in the brown sugar and some granulated sugar. And I'm gonna whisk using just a hand whisk. I don't want to use my electric mixer because sometimes I get a little excited and I overdo it. So we're just gonna hand mix it today really, really well. When that's done, we can add in our egg and some pure vanilla extract, the good stuff. Break out that whisk again and lose your mind, honey. Just mix it really, really well until the batter starts to drool off the whisk. You see how it's just dripping ever so delicately and it looks all good. That's the consistency you want, okay? Now it's time to sift our dry ingredients into the mix. So we're going to add some all-purpose flour, a little bit of baking powder, not soda, put the box down, and a pinch of salt. We use salted butter, but you know, it's always good to add a little bit more salt. Sweets need salt. So once you have all of that sifted in, go ahead and fold it into the batter until it's nice, soft, and pliable like this. Now we can add in our chocolate chips, get a good quality milk chocolate chip, and then some white chocolate. I just took a white chocolate bar and chopped it up, and then I added in some walnuts. It's optional, but I highly recommend you add the walnuts. It adds a nice little crunch and texture. Mix it together well like this, get it nice and combined, and then we're going to cover it with plastic wrap and refrigerate so it can set for like 30 to 40 minutes. When that time is up, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Grab your cookie dough scoop and then scoop out the dough onto a parchment paper lined baking sheet. And we are going to bake these for 10 to 12 minutes on 350. Now, when you take them out, it may seem like they're a little underdone. They're not, okay? They're going to be a little bit pale, but just make sure they're nice and golden brown around the edges. Now we want to allow them to cool completely before... Boy, let it cool completely. In the meantime, we're gonna pour some milk. God damn it! Look at pour some milk. Throw a little cute straw in there, hey, and you will have these delicious double chocolate and walnut cookies. The recipe link will be down there in the description box. Finally, my cookies have your own signature cookie from Coop. Yay! And they're so delicious. I'm so extra, but I'm really excited about them. As always, thank you so very much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. I guess I'll let Babe have his cookie now. Until next time, be blessed. Boy, I said one. Bye, y'all.